This is a 2016 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited, one of Harley Davidson's premier touring bikes. The color of this Ultra Limited is black quartz. A little bit different than your usual vivid black, as it is a metallic. It has some gold in it. Really a great color out in the sun. This 2016 Ultra Limited is in really good condition. It has 18,322 original miles on the odometer. Now the service records are included with the bike. So it has had its regular checkups and oil changes. The battery was replaced 2 years ago. The tires have about 4,000 miles on them, so there's a lot of life in the tires. It's been a very well kept one owner bike. Being the 2016 model, it comes equipped with the 103 cubic inch engine, so it has plenty of power to get you down the road, power to pass, power to get over the hills. Made it to a 6-speed transmission. Nice big 6-gallon tank, so you have a lot of range. Big comfortable seat for you and your passenger. Being a limited model, it has a security system with the key in the fob, ABS brakes, of course cruise control, heated grips. It has the 6.5 boom stereo system that has AM, FM, weather band, GPS navigation. You can Bluetooth your device into the stereo system, or in this compartment right here, you can put your phone or your iPod in there and plug it in, and it is a direct link into the system, and at the same time charges it. The stock mufflers have been replaced with Screamin Eagle Mufflers, so it has a good rumbling sound and you can actually hear the bike run as opposed to the stock mufflers. The Saddlebag Filler Lights have been added, which give you really good visibility from the rear. They're a run, turn, and brake light. LED fender tip. LED lights on the tour pack. Now there's also a 12-volt power point in the tour pack. Now this Limited also has the CB. Short arm Harley Chrome highway pegs have been added. Has the heel shifter. A nice custom chrome windshield trim has been added. Actually, this is the first one I've ever seen that looks like this, and it's really great looking. Now it also comes with the air pump for adjusting your shocks in the rear. if you're in the market for a touring bike, take a real good look at this 2016 Ultra Limited. It's nicely equipped. It's got good mileage on it. The tires only have 3,000 miles on them. Service records are included. It's ready to roll, and it's priced to sell. Save yourself a wheelbarrow full of money on this bike opposed to buying a new Ultra Limited and getting stuck with all the dealer fees and dock fees and setup and freight and all that hooey. Give Will a call at Dream Cycles USA for an out-the-door price. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you.